next I am going to talk about strategy. I have spoken about business model, I have explained planning and strategy, I have explained competition. So, now I will talk about strategy. Strategy starts with objectives or goals. To achieve these objectives, you will surely use the business model that we have discussed already. You will identify your own organization's strengths and weaknesses. You will also scan the external environment for the opportunities and threats that the business needs to be aware of and possibly be prepared for handling it. So, I can give you an example of strength. Manpower could be your strength, lack of manpower could be your weakness. Financial ability could be your strength, lack of financial ability could be your weakness. Technology could be your strength, lack of enough technological exposure or lack of availability of the technology could be your weakness. The same thing goes for external environment scanning, that is opportunities and threats. Your awareness of the government policies could give you more opportunities to enter into a particular sector, enter into a particular vertical, and lack of that, somebody else is aware of it, could be your threat. Some external players, MNCs like a Walmart or a Tesco or a Carrefour entering into the country could be a threat for you. But then if you look at it that I can be a supplier to these guys, that could be an opportunity for you, because the Walmart and Tesco also could be also opening up the market. There could be more retail growth, more retail development, which also will provide you opportunities in the sector, in the vertical. More of online. So, if digital marketing and online retailing becomes a big factor, new players will enter into the market. That could be a threat. Your existing pattern of purchase could change. That could be the threat. At the same time, you also may look up to the opportunity that if you enter into this market, that could be provide you an opportunity. From a brick and mortar store, you go into an online retailer. That could provide you with opportunities. So, your awareness of these things will create your understanding of your environment, that is the SWOT analysis. In addition to the customer analysis that you have done in the study of business model, where we spoke about who is the customer, what is the value proposition for the customer, that is why he is your customer, and how do you reach the customer effectively, and how do you maintain the relationship with the customer effectively. You will also identify and analyze the possible competitors to your business who provide same or similar offering to same target group, which essentially is the strategic group analysis, which already we have discussed. These competitors are the reason why you will not be able to attract or retain your adequate measures of customers, and in turn you will not be able to meet your objectives. This is the biggest difference between a business model and a strategy framework, that is the competitors. Subsequently, you will carry out retail planning. So, as you are aware of all the information that you need to achieve the objective, then you find out the various paths. Retail planning essentially involves identifying the various methods by which one can achieve the predefined objectives. Retail positioning involves choosing one of the identified methods to achieve these objectives based on the available constraints, that is the various resources like manpower, money, technology, etc., etc. Retail strategy involves choosing the elements of the retail mix to carry out or implement the chosen retail positioning. Subsequently, the chosen retail strategy is implemented by the available methods, available resources, or if it is not there, you acquire the resources and go ahead and implement. I will give an example in the next video.